Alright, YouTube, back again with the Am Ryker Shadow Black. Alright, today I'm going to take a ride out, set up my whole vlogging system with my camera and my mics, and I'm going to try to get some good angles for you guys. So I'm going to ride out and shoot some different videos at different angles, and y'all just let So this is angle 1. I have it hooked up to my windshield. I have my cheap Gopro facing me. So I'm riding like this to see if you guys like this type of setup. It's a little shaky for me. I don't think it's made to be mounted on the windshield. It's got a little bit of movement, but you guys just let me know if you like this camera angle for vlogging. Alright, so here I have the camera mounted on a Gopro mount, facing down and behind me. So I'm see if I can get some good floor sounds. So decided to take a ride around with the camera set up like this to just see how it sounds, just to see what you people think about the look of my YouTube followers. Just a test run. Here I have my Insta 360 mounted on my right hand handlebars, sticking out about a foot. I wanted to get some 360 footage, so I was just giving the camera a try. I dug it out of my closet. I had it back there for a long time. I just wanted to see how it looks riding on a black bike. Just doing some vlogging with a 360. Once again, just to let you guys know what you think about my camera angles, if I should switch them up, or just contact me on what you think I should be doing for my next videos. So that's pretty much all I got for you guys. Just something I was throwing out there just to see how you like it. Just remember to like, subscribe to my channel, I Love Rifle. You can find me on Instagram at shadowblackryker, and my new podcast now on Spotify, rolling on 3. Just email me in the links below to set up your interview to talk about your Ryker, your slingshot, your Vanderhall, your T-Rex, whatever you have. It's rolling on 3 wheels. It's for everybody. Just enjoy the camera angles and the view. Thanks.